Well, good evening there, YouTube. Yeah, we have a lot going on in the skies today. A lot going on with icing. A lot going on with the solar flares and going on as icing is going around the sun. And believe it or not, it is sending a lot of energy our way. And I wanted to show you right here our chemtrails on satellite. Everybody wants me to show them proof of geoengineering. And here we go. Uh, Here's video proof. I'm out here at the telecast.com and looking at the world. We got the earthquakes on here too. We got a 2.5 that's up there in New Madrid. Guys, got some fracking quakes probably going on over here. What I wanted to actually show you here was I've been known and been quoted as saying that since the BP spill down here that there's going to be no more hurricanes in the Gulf of Mexico, and I've been proven to be right all along. And like I said, there won't be. And there's a very good reason for that, and that is because of the spill that's down there and all the chemicals. Let me zoom in here, and you can see quite plainly as my screen refreshes. See if we can get it to refresh down there. Maybe it won't let me zoom in that far. Let's zoom out. There we go. See these fine lines here? These are all chemtrails. Okay, and it's all being fed right into the system that was going up the East Coast. Look at it, sucking it right off of the Yucatan Peninsula. You can see how it all condenses into clouds. These are all chemtrails, folks. Video proof. We had a bunch of chemtrail activity right up here in Iowa today. Let's see if my screen will refresh. I have it on play. That's one reason why it's taking a little while. But these are all chemtrails as well, folks. But right here on the satellite imagery. This is a live satellite, actually. But very telling. Here's all the chemtrails, and they usually start to dissipate as the sun goes down. And that's what you're seeing, that effect. Okay? Sun is going down over here, cooling off over here, and you'll have a disbursement of it or condensement of it in a way. I want you to just take a good look at what chemtrails do. This is video proof, and this is why there's no hurricanes going on in the Gulf, because this whole place is full of Corexic, oil, methane, you name it. Every gunk known to man is sitting right. Even nuclear material is sitting on the bottom of this Gulf floor. So when they drilled down in there, they drilled into an asphalt volcano, and kaboomy. They did BP. And Obama making $80 million, as well as Halliburton, Cheney and all them, on the so-called cleanup. And this is their so-called cleanup. They go out there and they spray out there every single day, conditioning the atmosphere to pull the weather systems off of the Pacific this way. South Pacific. They want South Pacific now going over Texas. They don't want Northern Pacific rain. That's full of Fukushima radiation. And they also want to move the storms off of the Yucatan Peninsula. Now, this storm was pulling some moisture off of the Gulf here, but you could tell it moved and pulled it off of here, off of the Yucatan, and all the way up the eastern seaboard, folks. Okay. So all that geoengineering that's going down in the Gulf is for your weather up north. Okay, and all these are chemtrails as well. Okay, but explain this cloud formation, weatherman, from beginning to end. I can tell you. It's geoengineering, weather modification. You can really tell it up here on the other side of Florida. But right here on the satellite, folks. So there you go. Proof. And I try to do this every day, video stuff every day. I don't put it all up on YouTube. Just the ones I find very interesting and very telling. And for public consumption here. But yes, obvious chemtrails in use on a national basis, not just in your state, not just in your neighborhood, but look, it's on the entire Gulf of Mexico, all the way up the eastern seaboard. So if anybody dies, sustained any damage, you can say, hey man, these are man-made storms, go after these folks that are doing this to us. That is my solution to it all. So there you go, folks.